Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. The President, Major General Muhammadu Buhari, has warned those promoting crime and insurrection in the country, noting that his regime will treat them in the language they understand. The President also said many of those misbehaving today are too young to be aware of the destruction and loss of lives that occurred during the Nigerian Civil War. He spoke on Tuesday after meeting with the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Mahmood Yakub, and other electoral commissioners in Aso Villa, Abuja, over the series of attacks on INEC facilities, especially in the southeastern part of the country. Rampaging hoodlums had razed no fewer than 11 INEC offices, 13 vehicles, 429 generators, others in over 41 attacks in the last few months. Scores of police stations have also been burnt in the southeast by the daring gunmen. Commenting on the situation on Tuesday via its official Twitter handle, Buhari stated, "I received daily security reports on the attacks on critical national infrastructure, and it is very clear that those behind them want this administration to fail. Whoever wants the destruction of the system will soon have the shock of their lives. We have given them enough time." I received a briefing today from the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission on the series of attacks on their facilities nationwide. These attacks are totally unacceptable, and we will not allow those behind them to achieve their evil objectives. I have assured INEC that we will make available to them everything they need to operate effectively, so that no one will say we don't want to go or that we want a third term. There will be no excuse for failure. We will meet all of INEC's demands. In the area of security, we have changed the service chiefs and the inspector general, and we are demanding that they rise fully to the challenges confronting us. There must be zero tolerance for all those bent on destroying our country by promoting crime and insurrection. Many of those misbehaving today are too young to be aware of the destruction and loss of lives that occurred during the Nigerian Civil War. Those of us in the fields for 30 months who went through the war, we treat them in the language they understand. We thank God that President Muhammadu Buhari is beginning to speak up. That is, he has awoken from his slumber. At least he's beginning to respond to the situation of things in the country, and we just hope that he finds a lasting solution to the kidnapping and high rates of insecurity in Nigeria.
It is very clear that they intend to make sure that this administration fails. I'm getting good intelligence report on daily basis. The question of insecurity in the country is being mentioned all over the world, not only here in Nigeria. But I believe there are Nigerians that will attempt at least to be fair by what I believed, that I will run the country according to the Constitution. Now, with all these people who want power, whoever they are, have they proved that I was not following the Constitution? Well, am I not leading the country according to the Constitution? What do they want? I had one impression which gave me a lot of hope and confidence to continue the way I wanted. So whoever wanted diversion or destruction of the system at this point, I think will soon have their shock of their lives. I think we have given them enough latitude. They have made their case. They just wanted to destroy the country. Simple. Because what do they want? And we are concentrating on infrastructure because no country or institution can be developed without infrastructure. And I assure you that I will be willing, within whatever resources we have, to make sure we meet all your demands so that no excuse can be given for any failure. So I expect you, what is happening in the Southeast, attacking police station, killing the police, taking away arms and ammunition. Now, for those of us who are unfortunate to be in the field for the 30 months of the Civil War, to see the carnage of how we kill ourselves, at least 1 million people, I think those that are misbehaving, they were either too young, they didn't know what happened. But for those of us who went through all these things, we can't understand. So we will treat them in the language they understand. So I feel for your understanding and so on. We are going to be very hard, sooner than later. We have done our best, changed the service chiefs and the IG. We allow them time to go around to make necessary changes for them to be firmly in charge. We'll try and give them the resources they require, and we will demand security sooner than later. I thank you very much for your presentation. I assure you that this administration will do whatever we can do for you so that we don't give anybody excuse to blame us that we don't want to go or want to have a third term. Thank you very much.